Okay, so I just spent the morning sanding down the paint job from yesterday. Really took my sweet time, made sure you can't even see. I really spent a good hour and 15 minutes just on that one little spot, and I got it so that you can't even see it. In case you think I'm kidding, in case you think I'm lying, and I was giving you the other one. It looks a little shady. I just got done painting it, so it's still wet in spots. But yeah, sanded it, washed it, painted it. Sanded it, washed it, painted it. Gonna let these guys dry a couple hours, and then sand them down, and then try and get a clear coat on there today. It'd be nice to throw a couple cans of that on those. The UPS guy brought me my Aercatch. I've already measured them out. Gonna set them there. I am gonna use both. I didn't think I wanted to, but I'm gonna, because they look a little ridiculous right this second. But if you imagine the gray, nice polished gray, black metallic midnight, whatever. Nice gray hood. Those will stay black. Those will have the black trim on there. May or may not have the black trim on there. I'll see what it looks like. It might look stupid, but that'll be that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those out. Yeah, gotta finish sanding the Bondo. Now that it's completely dried all the way through. Just wanted to take off some of the chunks last night. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I painted the center garnish for the console, and that's the hood emblem. I've just been putting, like I did with the other ones, just the tiniest little bit of, my fingers getting in the way. Just tiny little coats like that all day. It's probably 15 of those on there. Because that chrome plastic, it doesn't like to stick to it. So super light coats over and over again. But yeah, I'll be ready to throw these guys in. Let me get my finger out of the way. Something like this here. No, that doesn't. I think that's alright, right? You can see. Anyways. So, switch hands. Yeah, these guys. The smoked LED. We'll see what they look like. I might have to take them off, or just, because I still have the other ones somewhere in one of those boxes. I have the amber ones from when I did this car. You can see the difference. Total hack job on that guy. Yeah. I don't know if I should save some of this molding or not. Don't know. But I gotta get that rack and pinion back in there. And then probably throw the shitty D16 in there. Just to have it more complete, so it'll just go, because I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I don't feel like selling it. I'd just give it away if somebody wanted it, but nobody around here wants these, or else I got EX calipers, if anybody wants the EX calipers. Not that anybody's watching this before this car will go, but if you do, let me know any of this stuff you want. I'll probably just give it to you for the price of shipping, because I'm not going to make any money off it. That's weird. Somebody out there needs this. Somebody out there really wants that right now. Somebody's going, man, I can't believe I ripped that. I'm such an idiot. Oh, it's all moldy and gross anyways. I need a new one. Yeah. Alright, well, until I get that cut out. So quickly, these been baking in the sun here for a little bit. Oh, you can really see. Nice. Color I'm going for here. Not my hand in the way. Yeah, I think it looks really good. Still drying. I'm gonna spin these around so the opposite sides can get more. Man, that is pretty. I'm liking that. Yeah, that'll stand down real nice. Great color, black midnight. So that's where I'm at with those guys. Currently in the midst of shooting another video, which is just a more detailed version of what's going on here. But basically what I've done, as I'm sure you can guess by looking in the last 5 seconds, was installing these guys. Put the pin through, marked it with some caliper grease, cut out that little hole right there, brought it up, marked it with some caliper grease on the bottom side of this, spun it around. Yeah, or not spun it around, flipped it down, then sorry. Yeah, then I just put this on there, measured it up. I got this one lined up so that the edge of it would match the angles of these. So once I did those, I measured from here and there, and set this one on the circle, measured from there, and then just spun it around until the measurement matched up there. So that's what I came up with. Not my exact ideal location. I might keep going with a couple more hood vents, maybe even angle them. I don't know, that's stupid. It's very Miata. Not into the Miata look. This Nissan is always good enough. Anyways, yeah, that's where I'm at with this stuff. But yeah, first try, sets right in there, just perfect. Ready to go. Just gotta cut out the bottom, do the other side, and I'm on to that project. Alright, so wrapping it up, I just kind of loosely dry fit them for now. Made sure they clipped down, got down in the spot I needed it to, so that way I can pull them off. And then I'm gonna finish sanding this, prime the heck out of it, and that'll be that. I'm off to the paint shop for this, but they're in there. That one is in, it's all fit, tight down, ready to go. Just gotta do it. Off to the paint shop. Alright, good luck. Alright, so I'm going to try to finish up. I'm going to re-sand these guys and get a clear coat on them right now. And then while that clear coat's drying, I'm going to sand that guy and prime it. And then while that, sand the Bondo off of there. And then prime it. Yeah, let that white primer sit. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna sand these and do another coat of clear coat. And then I'm gonna sand that and do another coat of primer. Gray, probably. So, there you go. That's what I'm gonna do. I might finish with another video. I might just leave that stuff for tomorrow. In fact, I think I'm just gonna upload this video and then start a new one right now for tomorrow. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Tune in for number 33, I guess.